Tailoring your resume and cover letter to each position you apply for is important to ensure you're highlighting the necessary skills and qualifications that each individual employer is looking for. This is because organizations typically use an applicant tracking system that will scan your application for keywords, so refrain from using synonyms as appropriate. The easiest way to tailor your resume is to use the job description as some form of outline in regards to what skills and qualifications you should focus on, and ensure to integrate as many applicable keywords into your resume and cover letter as possible. However, definitely stay away from copying and pasting large portions of the job description into your resume and cover letter, as well as adding skills and experiences you don't necessarily have in the documents. If you want to take things a step further, and your field of interest has a professional regulatory body that oversees your profession, take a look at the entry-level practice competencies they expect from emerging professionals. For example, for nutrition and food students interested in becoming a registered dietitian, collaboration and communication, as well as nutrition care, are 2 practice competencies that you would want to touch on by highlighting related performance indicators through your experiences. As a reminder, your summary of qualifications section is great for plugging in and quickly highlighting some relevant technical or transferable skills that are specific to the job and might catch the eye of an employer. Another way is to use your academic, volunteer, and work experience section to highlight how you've developed and showcased these skills in past experiences. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.